Male contraceptive studies, the subjects, the investigators, the research. The theme of my project is to analyze why certain studies and research groups seek to develop male contraceptives, how they decide which populations they are working with in clinical trials, and what are the goals and agendas for these researchers. Are the agendas feminist? In the last couple of decades, an interest in men's role in reproduction has greatly improved. In 1991, an international conference on population and development was held in Cairo, Egypt, where the consensus was held that reproduction was to be the concern of the whole family and that men should be included in fertility and family planning. Becker et al. From 1996 found that reproductive health interventions that target couples are found to be more effective than those directed to only one sex. Many research groups are now in the hunt for an effective male contraceptive. Many of these groups have developed drugs that are naturally based and that are non-hormonal. In many studies, the negative side effects that are often associated with birth control, including depression and moodiness, are of the utmost concern for these research groups, and are deterrents for the birth control. The main purpose of the studies? Create a male contraceptive that preserves fertility and that does not reduce libido. A new potential male contraceptive that's gathering the attention of the world is called the Gandarusa plant. It's found naturally in Indonesia and the islands of Papua and West Papua. The research on this plant is being led by an investigator by the name of Bang Prajogo. He's testing this plant in mice and in different ethnicities of men, including Africans and North Americans. Doctors are particularly excited about the potential of the Gandarusa plant because it does not alter male hormones, but rather changes the chemistry on the tip of each individual spermatozoon, making them unable to pierce the outer wall of a female egg. Dr. Prajogo has reported, "We've done 2 rounds of testing on humans, and so far, no pregnancies have resulted." The research group is in phase 3 of testing with 350 couples, and so far, they're having a 100% success rate. This drug is particularly important in Indonesia, where fewer than 2% of men participate in family planning. In India, a researcher named Sujoy Guha was trained as an electrical engineer, but then was inspired by the defense mechanisms in eels via electric shock to develop a procedure that could be used as a male contraceptive. The procedure is called RISUG and stands for Reversible Inhibition of Sperm Under Guidance. It's a procedure that involves injecting the vas deferens with a polymer gel that neutralizes and inactivates sperm by sending negative charges to the positively charged sperm. The search for a male contraceptive is alive and well. As stated originally, many research groups and international committees composed of both males and females and many ethnicities believe that males have an important role in fertility and reproduction in family. This concept of contraceptive equality is becoming more widely accepted as more people realize that it is not only the woman's job to conduct the family plan.